Studio mk27's Sand House is a bold experiment in blurring the lines between human-made structure and the natural world. Situated on the breathtaking coastline of northeastern Brazil, the house is a direct response to the overwhelming power and beauty of the Atlantic Ocean. It's a project that seeks to dissolve architecture into its environment rather than imposing itself upon it. The heart of the house is a series of interconnected volumes, each dedicated to a specific function: kitchen, dining, living, master bedroom, and guest bedrooms. These capsules of life rest on a raised wooden deck, creating a sense of intimacy while maintaining a connection to the surrounding landscape. Above, a rustic eucalyptus pergola casts a dappled shade, softening the sunlight and inviting the outdoors in. This intentional disruption of the structure's modernist grid with organic elements like trees further blurs the boundaries between architecture and nature. The interplay of light and shadow is a defining characteristic of the sand house. The pergola's open weave filters sunlight, creating a dynamic interplay with the shadows cast by the surrounding trees. This ethereal atmosphere is intensified by the house's integration into the lush tropical environment. The property itself becomes a green oasis, with the swimming pool acting as a focal point. Its organic shape and alignment with the house and beach create a harmonious dialogue between architecture, water, and sand. Rather than a rigid dwelling, the sand house is a sensorial experience. The constant rhythm of the ocean, the play of light and shadow, and the enveloping greenery combine to create a space that is both calming and invigorating. It is a testament to the power of architecture to enhance our connection with the natural world, inviting us to live in harmony with the elements. By stripping away unnecessary elements and focusing on essential living spaces, the architects have created a home that is both minimalist and immersive. The sand house is not merely a place to reside, it's a platform for experiencing the raw beauty of its surroundings. It is a building that listens to the land, allowing nature to dictate its form and function. In doing so, it offers a powerful statement about the potential of architecture to create a symbiotic relationship with its environment. Ultimately, the sand house is more than just a house, it is a work of art. It is a place where the boundaries between interior and exterior, human and nature, dissolve into a harmonious whole. It is a testament to the belief that true architecture should not dominate its surroundings, but rather coexist with them in a respectful and enriching partnership. The Sand House by Studio mk27 is a testament to the harmonious relationship between architecture and nature. It's a space where the soul finds solace in the rhythm of the ocean, the dance of light and shadow, and the embrace of the verdant landscape. This is more than just a house, it's a philosophy of living. If you were captivated by this architectural masterpiece, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more inspiring designs and breathtaking homes. Like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue the conversation about architecture and its impact on our lives. Thank you for watching.